Good morning, everyone! Welcome to another vlog. It's around mga 7:30 in the morning. And alis tayo today. I'm gonna take you guys along with us. We're going to this place called Hatta here in Dubai, UAE. It's our very first time there and first road trip as a family of 3. We are also excited for this. So, ayun, it's gonna be like an hour drive. So, it's not really a long road trip, you know, but for UAE, it's already long. And we still don't have concrete plans on where to go. But I have something in my mind. We're supposed to wake up at 5 a.m. but obviously it didn't happen. We all woke up late. Day trip lang siya, guys, ha? It's not something like a staycation or we have to stay there for long. It's only a day trip. We're gonna go there and come back. So I'm just gonna continue on doing my makeup and then I'll get back to you. Bye! Good morning! This is my outfit for today's trip. So nice! Okay guys, it's already 8:12 in the morning and we're about to go on our way to Hatta. So I have my coffee here ready and Enzo is at the back watching. Everything's ready, but first we're gonna charge fuel and off we go. So stopover lang kami dito sa gasoline station para magpa-gas and magpalagay ng air sa gulong. So guys, just a quick run from Starbucks. I got myself caramel macchiato hot, and then for hubby, iced caramel macchiato, and for the snacks are breakfast. We have here chicken quesadillas and then sandwiches, cookies, and I'm gonna give Enzo a banana right now.
Continue straight for 15.
Here we are, guys. So, ito yung activity na gagawin natin for today, yung kayak. So, I guess we have to walk all the way down there and go down. My baby, my love, the love of my life. So, here are the prices. Ito yung pinili namin, 150, 1 hour. Pwede si Enzo. Tsaka meron siyang shave. Ayun, gusto ko sana to, kaso lang, sobrang mahal, 300. So, ito yung mga restrictions. Let's go down. Let's go, Enzo. Let's go to the stairs. But be careful, okay? Biggest.
Wow. So big.
Sarah, one yellow ball. One yellow.
We're done with the kayak. Ayun na. Make sure to wear something comfortable, especially on the shoes. And sa suot na rin. Because you will definitely gonna get work up with this. This is the view. Okay guys, so a little update. We are here at Wadi Park. It's a 10 minutes drive away from Hatta Dam, and it's a public park here, so definitely no entrance. It's perfect for families, perfect if you have a baby, because I saw they have like a children's playground over there. You can also do barbecue here, and yeah, it's just so chill here and you can relax. So we're planning to eat our lunch here. We bring with us some snacks na nabili namin sa convenience store on the way here. And then some fruits as well. Ayan. And here are the snacks that we have. All in this big bag. And ayan, we also have some drinks. And we're gonna kill time here. Maybe later we're gonna go to another spot. Like a touristic spot here in Hatta. There's a lot of place to go. The weather is so nice. I think it's like around mga 19 degrees today. It's sunny still, so ayun. Naglalaro na yung mag-ama ng kite. So ayun, tignan natin sila. They're playing with the kite. So nice. So as you can see guys, famous spot din itong Hatta sign dito. You can trek all the way up if you are into outdoor activities like hiking. So, ayun. So ito yung mga activities na pwede niyong gawin dito sa Hatta Wadi Hub. Ito nyo na yung mga prices and yung mga restrictions like yung duration, yung minimum age and height requirement. Ayan. Hi everyone! Nandito kami ngayon sa Hatta Wadi Hub. It's a recreational facility here at Hatta, one of the famous places here, and you should come here whenever you are here in Hatta. So, this is how the place looks like. There's also restaurants, I believe, and shopping area that you can find. So, ayan, guys, I'm not sure what is this place is for, but yeah, it's for outdoor activities. and stuff. So if you're someone who's adventurous, oh, as you can see at the top, there are some rooms there that you can rent or make a reservation if you want to stay here overnight. So I'm not sure what the price is. I think you have to inquire on their website or just to contact someone. We zip line. There's zip line as well. Playing on the net and stuff. Someone's doing zip line. Do you see that, guys? Nice. Also, you can do wall climbing here. This is the net bridge walk. So, meron din dyan, guys, na padulasan. I don't know what it's called. But we didn't bring extra clothes with us, so it's a no-no for us. And at my back, there's the archery and axe throwing on this side. So, nakikita ko doon sa pinakataas, meron pa activity doon, dito. Ayan, caravan park. There's a lot of things to do. Ayan. You can also do horseback riding. Ayan. Guys, we're in Hatta Wild Cafe and we're having drinks and snacks. By the way, it's already 3 p.m. So we're having mango milkshake and chocolate waffle coming. And ayun, we're just chilling out here. Later after this, maybe we go home. Alright guys, so it's already 3 something in the afternoon, almost 4, and pauwi na kami.
Turn left.
Pauwi na
Then
kami
turn left.
Pauwi na kami ng Dubai, and it's going to be 1 hour and 30 minutes drive, yes. And ayun, it's such a nice experience to be here in Hatta. If you guys want to go and visit in this place as well, I hope na natapos yung ating video. If you do, please like and subscribe my channel, tap the notification bell, and follow me on my Instagram at Christine.